they have a lot of food in here. So just like this, and also they have like this meat crabs. Okay, gonna put this one in here. Also like this, and we're gonna eat this one. Gonna eat the tahong. So I'm gonna put something like this.